We got Chase over here. We got graphics from my Talaria e-bike. And we're putting these stickers on the wheels because I was going to paint this whole thing, but we've ended finding all of this stuff, so. Yeah, it's a Talaria Sting XXX Street Edition. Yeah, stop playing, but I was going to spray paint it and stuff and do all this, but we found these graphics, so. Yeah. Oh my God. Here's the rear wheel. Oh, that's hard.
That actually.
Hey, you're gonna have to figure this out because it has this.
What's that?
It's to keep it from sliding off the back.
Does it need it?
Yeah.
Look at that's actually crazy.
All right, but
Get one more on here.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing this. I cleaned the chain up a couple days ago after my first video. But yeah, Talaria. Stop playing. Supposed to be just a normal, random little bike build, but now we got Talaria sponsoring us.
Get them out here.
Hello, come here. Got the little miss.
The only hard part is that it's different size.
That looks good. All right, now do this one.
Well, you want this side done?
Oh. Look at, I even polished the sprockets. But look, it's got back brakes on it, so it locks.
Wait, you could probably take that out.
I think so, but I don't know how.
It's not a free coast thingy?
Ah, Harlow does not approve of that.
Oh,
Cleaning it right now.
Yup. Hopefully get the steam nice and good.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Fresh new rebuild. New factory machine.
What's up, guys? We got my build, knockoff mini rocker. Got it from a friend. She raced it and stuff and did a bunch of stuff. I had extra bars, ODI pink grips, BMX tall seat, took all the chain guards and all that stuff. We got the nice shiny chain. Tried spray painting, didn't work, so we got these Talaria Sting graphic kit. And the thing honestly just rips. It's like 3.4 horsepower or something like that on the dyno. So yeah, we're gonna just be testing it and just X Games next year, but a bunch of stuff. So later. Chase has his bougie pink slippers on his bougie little bike. Well, it's my bike, but.
More!
These Rockstar sponsors. Here, let me go faster and let you off. Go now. Yes, sir.